2. Let's get in here. It's 8 degrees yesterday. I don't think it's going to get any warmer today. Okay. Again towards 9, slightly warmer. Can't see any floaters. I might give them 9 degrees outside on the little food thing. And the aquarium, so let's turn this off. No. It's interesting at all in this bottom corner. Yeah, the aquarium heater that I've got on a slower setting, so I'm going to turn it up a bit, and so 9 degrees. So you know, it was never going to be a fast process. Okay, I've got some large water bottles as well, so I'm gonna do an in-tank kind of moving bed, if you know what I mean. I got loads of K1 and Helix media, so I'll put one of the air stones on the bottom and put that in there, so there'll be enough media just to get us going. Right, okay. And kind of update tomorrow. Cheers, bye. Okay, day 3. So look, it's like a solid 9 degrees. That's 4 degrees warmer than the outside then. I would like to get to 10 degrees with that little heater if I could. And then, there, okay, have it. Yeah, day 4. Excuse the noise. Some floater. Let's see, 9 degrees yesterday. And still just under 9. Okay. We need to have a different heater process for the temperature. I'll give it a couple more days. We'd like to get to a minimum of 10 degrees, or warmer ideally. Okay. Boxing Day. Let's see, 10 degrees yesterday. 11 degrees, excellent. Very gradual increases in temperature, but again, no obvious casualties yet. That's good. So I'll give them a bit of food today. Yeah. Okay, catch you tomorrow. I had a chilly one last night. It's more like ice rain. A bit whiter than top of the mountain there. So this should be a good test of whether the fry tank is able to maintain the temperature. So if they can stay around 15 degrees even when it's this cold, it'll be great. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. It's gone down about a degree, but this is okay. So just under 14. So considering how cold it is outside, it's pretty good. You know, just with that little aquarium heater. Okay, bye. Okay, several cold days now and quite heavy snow at the moment, as demonstrated by Griff. Go and see the temperature in the pond now, in the tank. Let's have a look. 12 degrees. So it was dropped a couple of degrees, but even so, you know, if we were outside now, it'd probably be lower than 5 degrees, so 12 degrees. You know, it's been heavy frost overnight, snowing now, so it's pretty good. I'm going to try a different heater. I would like to see if I can get up to 20 degrees. Okay, catch you again on my in tank moving bed. On two of them actually. So I'll get the media in there tomorrow. Get them in. I think that should be a pretty good amount of media for the size of the tank and size of the fry at the moment. Yeah, so I'll show you what tomorrow. I'm hoping this will be not too difficult. I won't fill them hugely full. I want the air pump is not powerful, so I can get it kind of half full of media. That'll be good. Okay, it's be a two-handed job, so I'll come back to you hopefully soon when it's done. Yeah, that was nice and easy. You need to have to be careful because any piston going will fall over the sides a couple of minutes. So I think that's about the right amount, just over half full. So I can always add more to take them out. Right, let's get this into the other tank where it's full of live bacteria. Okay, cheers. Okay, I'll give them 24 hours, see if they settle. Maybe not quite enough media. They do seem to be floating, but I'm not sure if that's just waiting for some of the air to expel from the top of the tank there. There's a little bit of movement, so you can make that out there. So yeah, I'll give it, as I say, I'll give it 24 hours. And possibly have to wait. I've put some like pea gravel in the bottom of the bottles to hold them down, but as we they kind of are floating near the top. But yeah, I don't know if you can quite make it out. I'm trying to hold the light and not drop my phone in the water at the same time. Yeah, it is starting. I'm starting some movement starting. But as the media's mature, I don't know if it's going to change. Yeah, but I'll give it 24 hours anyway. No damage being done. And it might be possibly a more powerful pump. It's only a little aquarium pump, so it's not no great power there. Yeah, softly. So okay, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I changed the pump over, and that seems to exit. So now they are moving beds. So that looks good. Let's see, don't squash any fish now, down. That's it. Not a huge pump, but noisy pump, right? Sometimes not. Okay. Yeah. So that's positive. That thing's gone upside down. Okay. Cheers. That's your gardener there. Strawberry plants. Hey, stop it. Hey, it's enough.